Wow, it's freaking freezing here in Sofia. Look what we got overnight. So much snow. I guess global warming is now postponed. So, never mind. Let's have a look how nice it is over here. Winter wonderland. So originally I thought I'm gonna take you up the Vitosha mountain, which is the nearest and highest peak here around in the Sofia region. But it's literally so cold, one of my cameras is already almost frozen. So to make this video more clickbaity, we're gonna go to South Park. How cool is that? Sofia has its own South Park, and this is the beginning of it. So as unbelievable as it might sound now, 2 days ago I was sitting here on the grass and drinking beer whole afternoon. Now I'm happy I have warm tea with me, and sooner or later I'm gonna head home because this is like -5 maybe. Insane. As I said, one of my cameras is out of battery already, so let's see how much more I can make.